don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. On TV, it's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, TS Galaxy 1. I'm joined by the best chairman in the world.
Steve Autam kunjani?
Angimnandi chair.
Mnandi Autam.
Sure chair.
Sibuyile futhi University Autam.
Of football.
Of football Autam.
Injalo chairman.
Yeah, just nje lack of concentration ngama last minute.
Sure.
Basigwaza kwaba yi-1-1.
Sure.
But asikho buhlungu Steve.
Ngiyakuthola chair.
Jelile last week satlenti repiwe Autam.
Ichayi.
Iphelile.
Yeah.
You understand? Thina manje si respect ibadge yethu. Ebhakaniya.
Injalo
remaining games sizodlala mfethu ukuthi at least sikhuphuke sibe la ngama points. You understand? But league Authami irepiwe. Let's congratulate iqala ama Sundowns singabi nomona.
Yeah.
Ukuwina ilokhuzana ifirst ilokhuze iBetway. Siyabafisela siyababongela Authami. Baspanile and baspane nge-first few games yabo yokuqala ukuthi at least benze sure ukuthi baya collect.
Yeah, injalo nje.
Uyabona riding.
Yeah.
And then ke mangibeka lapho Sithibo lapha phezulu iphelile Authami. Sundowns irepile, Pirate 2 number 2 irepile Authami. Yakuphelile, so nawe ngiyakukhulula Authami. Next week nge-24 ngiyazi ukuthi bongathanda ukuba no chairman eDurban. No Authami ungaveli. Mina ngizoyidlela amazulu. And then ungayihluphi futhi uyele FNB uyobukela i-relegation zone. Hamba Authami uye ePitori. Yeah, hamba uye ePitori Authami uyobheka abantu beStar. Into ngiyakukhulula chairman ePitori. Bona lapha ya thina lapha eDurban ngiyakutshela thina sesidlalela ibadge. Sidlalela ipride yethu. Sinandi inyuku ingenile lengenile si top. Bona siphakamisa. You understand? Yeah, so wena no bheka laba balwela lapha kulwela iTopeti relegation. And anithi ngikutshela bahluleke thina amaHrotman abo. Sesibenzela iplan.
Yeah.
Ama 1 and 2.
Yeah.
Ngishaye ilokhuzana iArrows.
Sure.
Back to back. Ngathatha 6 points.
Sure.
iSundowns yashaya iChipa.
Sure.
Back to back yathatha 6 points. Wena uhlulwa kubagwaza. Mfethu. Come on Authami. Bengithi nje ngikutshela ukuthi khululeka Authami. Bese singene egamini yaFandaka. Namajita azokwazi ukuxoxa. Yabona uSlap Authami.
Yeah.
To touch 2 men.
Yeah.
Uyabona namhlanje usivalile isikhala sikaMakhawula.
Yeah.
Bonisa ukuthi uMakhawula noma ngekho zikhona le ntwana mfethu ziready. Uyabona? Bese uyabheka umbokazi emuva Authami. Akalifuni ibhola letumtum. Uyabatshela njalo make libeka phansi mabethi hlaba. Ufuna lirelax, ufuna lihambe ngama troopers. Ekhapethini Authami. You understand? So uNcikazi mfethu uzodlala lama game okugcina as an interim. uRivero mfethu umshiyele platform. Umshayele foundation. Yena mela sipanele nje ukuthi angaluzi lama game lawo. And thina sesobona nge-pre-season yethu njengoba siye German. Asiye Botswana, siye German. Esani bengamelanga ngikhiphe le indaba kusase. Alright ngizokutshela zona amasport. Thina pre-season yethu izophuma ngekhaya. Yabo awazi ukuthi sobuya nani eGerman. Mhlambe sobuya siphethe something. So wena okwamanje relax Authami siphushile isizini beyilangi sisipane kamnandi Authami mina nawe kusho ukuthi sesodibana nini nge-28 ngoba le iyale but ke ngasho Sithibo ngathi final was before the final.
Yes.
Final yaphela.
Yeah.
Final was between Pyramid ne-Pirate.
Sure.
Manje kulaba abasela abayi-2 abagwazana ngisana ndaba.
Banamasapota man.
Abagwazana ngisana flop out here. You understand?
Yeah.
Let the best team win.
Ngiyathola,
Mina
Che.
ngimnandi season yami ngiphethe kahle.
Okay, man of the match, Che.
Man of the match we touch 2 men.
Slap. Number 47.
Straight.
Number 47.
Straight out here. Yazi le ntwana lezi the wezidlala khona out here.
Sure.
Ngeke uzibone noma zifambula ukuthi ziyafambula.
Yeah.
The wezihlangane ngakhona.
Okay.
Uyabona njengombokazi.
Sure.
Umbokazi mfana it's a dirty play.
Yeah.
Mara ngeke uzumbona. Because always noma as a rough.
Sure.
But wenza sure ukuthi uthatha ibhola kuqala.
Go straight. Ball
But
fair.
if bengasiloko abe bazobalimaza abaningi. Leyana kudlalelwa kuyo. Uyayibona na.
Ukhumbuza ukwinika.
Bona Sibo, yabona bengukuvalela isagrand masocala ucompare university ne-technical college uyayimosha manje awuthi mungafanisa amaplayer wethu namaplayer we-Kaizer Chiefs awamabhakaniya le-Dreamland Buccaneers fana nathi uyasibona ama-supporters akhona ukuthi asifani kunalaba abaringa too much kunalaba abayithulela yabo so asifani nalaba abantu awuthi ungasifanisi ungafani nabo kunyika thina into esiyenzile awuthi yami iyi-1 sine foundation uyabona manje makuzothiwa kubizwa i-national team ye-under 23 yodlala Pirate yodwa so thatha 1 lapha nalapha just ukuthi bangathi Pirate into esenzile
Thank you, Chairman. Uba grand Chairman.